Party people! Yeah! Tag team music in full effect. That's me, DC, the reign supreme. And my man Steve Ronan. We're kicking the flow. We're kicking the flow. And it goes a little something like this.
Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamed of making money online while sipping coffee at your favorite cafe or even while you sleep, then boy, do I have some exciting news for you today. I'm here to talk about how you can set up multiple income streams fast and put them on autopilot with dailyincomemadeizy.net. Now let me break it down for you. This isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Imagine earning money by simply commenting on Facebook posts or filling out a few surveys. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And that's just the beginning. At dailyincomemadeizy.net, we provide you with a plethora of opportunities that don't just promise earnings but deliver real results. Whether it's sharing free lead generation sites or engaging in community interactions, every task you perform is a step towards building your financial empire. But here's the best part. Setting it up is as easy as pie. You don't need any technical skills. If you can click a mouse, you can start earning. Just visit dailyincomemadeizy.net, choose the tasks you like, and watch as your earnings grow. All it takes is a few minutes to get started. Now, I know what you might be thinking, is this really for me? Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent, or even someone between jobs, this is for everyone who wants to earn without the 9-to-5 grind. Plus, the beauty of autopilot income is that it doesn't take your time away. Once set up, these income streams keep flowing whether you're awake or asleep, at home or traveling the world. It's your money working for you. So what are you waiting for? Head over to dailyincomemadeizy.net today and start setting up your autopilot income streams. Believe me, it's not just an investment in your wallet, it's an investment in your freedom and your future. Remember, the opportunity to earn is right there at your fingertips, literally. Make the decision to start today, because in the world of online earning, it's not just about making money, it's about making your life more flexible and enjoyable. See you on the site.